music? You're asking me.
Okay, so
Any of your...
okay, so this is since this is total surprise for me, you should have told me for me to prepare. Okay, fine. So since we have got a lot of gorgeous ladies over here, I mean, of course, these two are men. I mean, there are some men. Forget about, as always, forget about men, as you always do. So
No,
let's
they
forget
have to
about
dance.
men.
Rana has to dance.
No,
as
he's
well.
going to do that.
Yeah, yeah.
But the song that we are going to dedicate. Oh yeah, that's a good.
అన్న అది కాదు కానీ పుష్ప 2లో నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది ఉంది కదా అది
సో మేమందరం
సుక్కుపోయి
డాన్స్
కొడతారు నన్ను.
చేయగలిగేటట్టు
అది కాదు.
పాడాలి చాలు.
So, అబ్బాయిలందరూ కలిసి to all these gorgeous ladies, we're going to dedicate a song first, one song, and then of course what Rana sang now. Okay, and the song goes like, అందమైన భామలు లేత మెరుపు తీగలు, అందమైన భామలు లేత మెరుపు తీగలు, ముట్టుకుంటే మాసిపోయే కన్నుల అందాలు, అయ్యో రామ ఈ భామ బొల ముద్దొస్తున్నదే, అయ్యో రామ అందంతో నన్ను చంపేస్తున్నదే. Yo! So let's give a huge round of applause to all these lovely ladies, as like especially I want to talk about Khushbu ma'am and Simran ma'am. We've been huge great fans of them as actresses and as people who could carry any kind of character and as amazing dancers. So
I'm gonna make
yeah,
them
it's an
dance
honor
too.
being on stage with you all, ma'am.
Yeah, please dance.
Now what are you going to dance for? Now okay then.
Well, I
Okay,
think
now
before you dance, we need
you
an
all dance for.
We just need an awesome picture of this entire group.
Yes,
Picture will
exactly.
anyways
Yes or no?
come.
No, first we should take that. I think we should. It's just such a lovely moment.
Yeah, okay, I'll step out of the picture
I
then.
actually wanted to stand between the two of you.
I'm also there. Tejas.
DSP, we need 2 more songs and we will dance.
And I like the way Tejas' name was pronounced a little while back. Instead of Tejas Saja, he said Tejasaja. And that sounds very musical. Right? Like
Tejasaja.
Tejasaja. It's a tanta tanta. So, nala bond.
Hey, there is still time for photo, yeah. DSP has to sing. Wait, let's not kill the moment. He has agreed. Ma'am, the Kannada version was sung by Mangli. Actually, I think you should sing it. Already కోకలు వచ్చారు. కోకా 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 అంటే కురుకురు అంటే చూస్తారు. Oh, I have 2 characters over here from the song. కోకా 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 అంటే కురుకురుమంటూ చూస్తారు, పొట్టి పొట్టి గౌనే వేస్తే పట్టి పట్టి చూస్తారు. Oh, all the kind of clothes are there, so we can actually do that song. Anyway, thank you guys. అయిపోయింది. Thank you so
మీరు
much.
పాడండి ఒక పల్లవి.
కన్నడ వర్షన్ రాస్తారు.
పర్లేదు,
మీరు తెలుగు పాట పాడండి. తెలుగు వచ్చింది పిల్ల అన్ని సాంగ్ మీరు పాడండి.
కాబట్టి కోకా కోకానే పాడతాను.
మీ ఇష్టం ఏదైనా పాడండి. బట్ ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ శివుడు సాంగ్ పాడారంటే మాత్రం ఆయన వస్తారు, అది మాత్రం జాగ్రత్త.
కోకా 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 కడితే కొరకొరమంటూ చూస్తారు, పొట్టి పొట్టి గౌనే వేస్తే పట్టి పట్టి చూస్తారు. కోకా కాదు గౌను కాదు కట్టులోన ఏముంది, మీ కళ్ళల్లోనే అంతా ఉంది, మీ మగ బుద్ధే వంకర బుద్ధి. అంటావా మావా ఉప్పు అంటావా మావా అంటావా మావా ఉప్పు.
Wow, what an amazing moment. Ma'am, thank you so much for that small moment. It's lovely to
I tried
have
my
you guys.
best to make a move. Thank you.
Sharmila, thanks to you for making these legends
I
dance
know.
on this. Yes.
This moment is going to be etched in my heart. Thank you very much. All right, you all want to pose one last picture and then
And
we'll call it
you
off.
missed to make Akshara dance. She's such a lovely, fabulous dancer. Actually, we're dance partners in every Kamal sir's
Should I run
party.
there?
Yeah, you should make her dance.
Then you have to sing.
But she's too crazy a dancer.
Oh yeah, she has agreed to dance with you.
Right, fine.
Yeah, okay. He knows that really has to sing. Thank you. Please pose for a picture.
అమ్మా తేజ గారు బాత్రూమ్ నన్ను రమ్మంటుంది.
Sure, but I have a few things to ask you before
Sure, ma'am.
Teja arrives. Don't call me ma'am, call me Sharmila. I think I've hosted a few shows with you. I'm sure you don't remember because my
No, I know your last name. Kasaka.
Kasala.
Kasala. Yeah, that's a cool name. Yes. Hello guys. Hi. Hello. How are you? Everyone's up and about. Welcome to IFA.
Whoa, this is how it's going to be on the main stage. I think even more impactful. Rana, you have hosted it earlier, and people look. The moment you're here, you own the stage. But this year, it's going to be a new co-host. What are you expecting, and what is your take on the upcoming, especially after this gap?
So actually this year there's Andre who is kind of unwell and he's upstairs in the room.
Yeah, I know.
The reason he wanted me to keep it little low because of the jokes I made last time.
Uh-huh.
Many actors are not coming this time it seems.
Oh, no?
So I'm actually just going to keep it tame and I'm just going to shoot from Teja's shoulder. That's the idea.
అంటే మొత్తం ఆయన మాటించడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నారా
లేడు
మీరు?
కదా ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం అన్ని జోకులు తనతో లాగించేద్దామని ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే ఓకే.
వచ్చాడమ్మా తేజ గారు రాలేదు. ఆ తేజ గారు మేనేజర్ అమరని నేను.
ఆయన తేజ గారు సేమ్ అలానే ట్రౌజర్స్ అలాంటి యాంకిల్ లెగ్ షూస్ వేసుకుని ఉన్నారు.
లేదు బట్టలు తనకి ఇద్దరు ఒకేసారి కొంటారు.
ఒకేసారి కొంటారా?
అవును.
మీకు అంటే కోహోస్ట్ కాబట్టి ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ కనుక్కొని వచ్చారా మీరు?
అదొక వెరైటీ కోర్స్ అండి. అంటే స్కూల్లో నాకు జూనియర్, సినిమాలో నాకు సీనియర్, అలాంటి ఒక విచిత్రమైన ఒక రిలేషన్షిప్.
సినిమాల్లో సీనియరా?
అంటే నేను 10th క్లాస్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు తను ఇంద్రా సినిమా చేస్తా ఉన్నానండి. నాకు చాలా వేరే డిఫరెంట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది.
ఏ లిస్టర్ లో ఉన్నారు ఆల్రెడీ. సో మీరు సీనియర్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ, జూనియర్స్
చూడు సీనియర్ బిహేవియర్స్ ఇలానే ఉంటాయి. సీనియర్
Hello,
స్టార్
మీరు late వచ్చారు నా?
ఏంటి నేను లేకుండా ఏదో అంటున్నారా?
లేదన్నా, కాదు సీనియర్స్ వేరేలా బిహేవ్ చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడంటే అప్పుడు వస్తారు.
నువ్వు నా స్కూల్లో సీనియర్వి, అందుకే నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం మాట్లాడను.
నేను స్కూల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడే నువ్వు అసలు పెద్ద పెద్ద సినిమాలు చేసావు.
నేను ఐ యాక్సెప్ట్ అన్నా, నువ్వు స్కూల్లో
ఈ
సీనియర్.
పక్కన ఇంత అందమైన అమ్మాయి ఉంది, ఫస్ట్ నాతో మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత మీరు మాట్లాడుకోండి, నేను వెళ్ళిపోవాలి.
మేనర్స్ లేదు,
ఏం మాట్లాడాలి?
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
ఓకే,
ఆయన మీ సీనియర్, ఆయన చాలా మేనర్స్ తో రెస్పెక్ట్ గా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. మీరేంటి అసలు ఆ హడావిడి ఏంటి? హనుమాన్
నాకు బయటకు వచ్చి ఏం చెప్పారంటే, రానా గారు మిమ్మల్ని రోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు,
మీరు ఫ్రేమ్ లోకి రండి.
వచ్చా.
నాగే నువ్వు వేరే చోటుకి
నేను వాష్రూమ్కి వెళ్ళాను స్వామి, దానికి కూడా
చాలా తొందరగా వచ్చావు.
అంత బానే ఉంది కదా? అంత బానే
ఉంది, పర్ఫెక్ట్. రానా
It's good. ఇవాళ బాగాలేకపోయినా మెయిన్ రోజు మాత్రం ఏమి తినకండి, బయట ఫుడ్స్.
నాకు ఒక్కసారి
చెప్పండి.
ఈ హోస్టింగ్ నేను చేస్తా, ఎస్ఎల్ఎన్ వస్తా,
ఓకే,
అన్ని చేస్తా. నాకు కావాల్సింది ఒకటి,
ఏంటి?
ఈయన ఇంత క్లోజ్ గా నాకు నుంచోకూడదు. నేను పొట్టు అనుకుంటారు.
అరే నువ్వు
కొంచెం అన్నా, ఎప్పుడు డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉన్నా, ఇలా ఉన్నా అనుకో కంపారిటివ్లీ.
బయట అలా చెప్తున్నారు కానీ నువ్వు అంత పొడుగేం కాదు, నువ్వు యాక్చువల్లీ పొట్టేసు.
నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నా, కానీ వీళ్ళిద్దరిని చూసాక ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడగడం వేస్ట్. రానా సీనియర్ కదా, మీరు ర్యాగింగ్ చేస్తారని అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నా. ఈయన దూకుడు చూస్తే అలా లేదు.
ఎవరెవరిని ర్యాగింగ్ అన్నారు?
మీరు ఆయన చేసేటట్టున్నారు.
భలేవరే. నాకు మళ్ళీ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన ప్రొడ్యూసర్ ఆయన ఓబేబీ.
కొద్దిగా స్టమక్ లో బటర్ఫ్లైస్ ఉన్నాయా?
అంటే అప్పుడు ఓబేబీ అప్పటికి ఎన్ని సినిమాలు చేసావు? 25 చేస్తుంటావా?
55 చేశాను.
మీరు రానప్పుడు ఆయన ఏమన్నారు?
56 సినిమా చేసాం.
మీరు రానప్పుడు ఆయన ఏమన్నారంటే స్కూల్లో జూనియర్, సినిమాలో సీనియర్ అని అన్నారు. ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ అడిగి నేను వెళ్ళిపోతా. ఆయన సీనియర్, చాలా బాగా హోస్ట్ చేస్తారు, చాలా బాగా యాక్టింగ్ చేస్తారు. హోస్టింగ్ మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం చేయబోతున్నారు. కడుపులో కొద్దిగా బటర్ఫ్లైస్, ఇన్సెక్యూరిటీ ఫీలింగ్ ఏమైనా ఉందా ఆయన చూసి? యాక్టింగ్ వరకు నేను వెళ్ళలేదు రానా, ప్లీజ్ నన్ను మార్పించకు.
బటర్ఫ్లైస్ అంటున్నా,
బటర్ఫ్లైస్, ఇన్సెక్యూరిటీ ఏదో ఒకటి కొద్దిగా.
యూజువల్ గా నాకు కాదండి, టాలీవుడ్ లో ఎవరికి బటర్ఫ్లైస్ ఉన్నా బాంబే ఇన్నే తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు తీసుకుని. నాకు బెనిఫిట్ లో పక్కన ఆయనే నుంచుంటారని చెప్పారు. ఇంకేముంది, నాకేముంది చెప్పండి. అలాంటి ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఆయన మీద వదిలేస్తాను. రానా అన్న అలాగే.
ఓకే, మీ ఇద్దరికి వదిలేస్తాను, నా వల్ల అవ్వట్లేదు. ఆల్ ఓవర్ యు, హ్యూజ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్. ఆల్రెడీ చూసారు ఎలా ఉందో.
Hello, thank you. So first, man, we are celebrating South Indian cinema. Are you excited? Yes or no?
వెరీ 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 మచ్. ఇంత లాస్ట్ సరే, మన టాలీవుడ్ ఎలాంటి కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేసింది అనేది పక్కన పెడితే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ రానా గారు. ఎప్పుడు ఎంత పెద్ద సినిమా వచ్చినా, అది కల్కి అయినా, హనుమాన్ అయినా, ఏ సినిమా అయినా ఆయన దగ్గరుండి దీన్ని నేషనల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంటారు. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ మై బ్రదర్ రానా అన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ. చెప్పు అన్న, నువ్వు చెప్పమన్నారు చెప్పా కదా.
అంటే చాలా ఇంత రెస్పెక్టబుల్ మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఏం చేయాలో నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
యాజ్ టీజ్ గా నువ్వు చెప్పమన్నారు.
చాలా బాగా చెప్పావు, వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఇలా నీతో స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇస్తూ మనం వెళ్ళిపోదాం. సో షెల్ వి కాల్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్.
ఒక సెకండ్ అన్న, ఇక్కడ టెలిప్రాంప్టర్ లో వేస్తా అన్నారు, వేయట్లేదు.
బంగారం షోలో కూడా అలాగే చెప్తారు, వేస్తారంటారు, ఉండదు. అక్కడ వచ్చిన జోక్ చెప్పేయాలి అక్కడ టక్కని. ఇక్కడ ఎవరున్నారు?
నాకు ఇక్కడ దేవ్యాన కనిపిస్తున్నాడు. హాయ్ దేవ్యాన.
కన్నా మీద ఒక జోక్ వేసి రాశి కన్నా ప్లీజ్ కమ్ అప్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్ అనాలి.
ఓకే ఆగండి, కూర్చోండి.
సిట్ రాశి
జోక్ వేయాలి.
నౌ స్టార్ట్.
జోక్ వేసాక పిలుస్తాం. రాశిగా నగర్ వస్తారు, నీకు అటువైపు నుంచో పెట్టుకో. హీల్ చేసుకొచ్చారు, మీరు సరిపోతారు. రాశిగా నగర్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఆన్ టు ద స్టేజ్.
డీటెయిల్ పోతున్నావు
మైక్ కోసం వచ్చిందా?
హలో.
హలో.
అంత హోస్ట్ ఓవర్ యాక్టింగ్ చేయట్లేదు, వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు ఇవన్నీ. రాశి
Yes.
హైఫా
Yes.
వాట్స్ అప్?
I actually performed in IFA years back. I don't remember which year it was.
That's the year I hosted the after party.
Oh, I don't know if I was in it, but
Bro, that's a different award function. Shut up.
I think,
ఏం మాట్లాడో తెలియదు నోడు.
I think after a very long time, I'm back performing for IFA Utsavam. So very, very excited because I love performing on stage. Really looking forward to both of you. I love your camaraderie.
That's the last question. ముందే చెప్పాను.
Oh.
What are you looking forward for this year, IFA?
First, my performance.
Okay.
And a lot of performances.
Okay.
And I think you guys will complement it well.
You guys will?
Complement it well, the whole thing.
మంచిదండి, మంచి బాగా మాట్లాడు.
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ రోజు జడ్జ్ చేస్తున్నాను, మీకు తర్వాత చెప్తాను.
ఓకే షూర్. కానీ మిమ్మల్ని స్టేజ్ మీదకి పిలవాల్సింది మెయిన్ ఈవెంట్ లో మేమే. సో ఏ జోక్ వేయకుండా పిలవాలంటే మీరు మర్యాదగా వాట్ ఆర్ యూ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఫర్ చెప్పేస్తే యూ కెన్.
అంటే మనకన్నా హైలైట్ ఏం లేదని చెప్తుంది. దా కంటిన్యూ. అలా మరి నొక్కి అడగకూడదు అవన్నీ.
నాకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ అయిపో జరిగిపోతున్నట్టుందన్నా.
లేదు, అది వేరేలా జరుగుద్ది. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు కంగారు వేరేలా జరుగుద్ది. రాశి, లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ యూ. టెల్ మీ, ఇన్ life, if we had to give you an award, tell me what is there in your personality that we have to give an award for?
You tell me what's there.
You should tell me.
I should tell you.
I won't give only.
హైట్ కి వచ్చా? హైట్ కి
అంతేనా?
ఇవ్వచ్చా అంటున్నా.
That's it.
అంటే హైట్ తప్పితే రాశి గారి దగ్గర ఏం లేదు నువ్వు అంటున్నావు.
బలవడే బాబు.
ఈ ఏంటున్నారు
The kind of award I would want for myself.
Peace and tranquility.
What personality would you get that award apart from films?
Apart from films, I think according to you, I'm a very serious person, no, Rana?
అంటే అవును, అలా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటే ఏం చేస్తుంటే మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటా,
అవును
పైన ఇన్నర్ హీలింగ్ చేస్తున్నా, పైన ఏదో తిరిగిపోతుంది,
I'm like
అదే చెప్తూ ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు పొద్దున్న లేసి.
I think like a very spiritual sort of personality.
సో ఓకే, మీకు స్పిరిచువల్ అవార్డ్స్ తొందరలో ఇస్తాం.
Okay.
హలో.
నెక్స్ట్
స్పిరిచువల్ అవార్డ్స్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను ఉన్నాను ఇక్కడ, నన్ను దాటిన తర్వాత.
అరే నీ సినిమాలో హనుమంతుడు నేను అనుకుంటున్నారా చాలా మంది. నేను కూడా అలా మేనేజ్ చేస్తాను. సో నీ స్పిరిచువాలిటీ అంతా నేనే. సో ఓకే, ఇలా చిన్న లాగ్ వస్తుంటే స్టేజ్ మీద ఏం చేయాలంటే నెక్స్ట్ రౌండ్ పట్టుకోవాలి. ఏం చేస్తుంటే అలా చూస్తూ ఉంటావు.
ఎవరిని? దేవి
గారిని పిలిస్తే చాలా హైలైట్, లాస్ట్ వరకు వాడదాం, వెయిట్ చేయాలని. మిస్టర్ సుశాంత్ లాస్ట్ గా వచ్చాడు, కానీ చాలా స్టైలిష్ గా వచ్చాడు. సూజీ, మిస్టర్ సుశాంత్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ అప్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్ ప్లీజ్.
చప్పటి కొట్టచ్చు.
మీ అందరు కూడా చెప్పాలి, నేను తేజ సీనియర్ అన్నట్టు సుశాంత్ కూడా అదే స్కూల్.
ఏం చెప్తా నాకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసులే, ఇది నాకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అలవాటు అయిపోయింది.
అరే నా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మీ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అట్లా అవుతుంది. సో చెప్పు సూజీ, వాట్ యు లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు?
కాదు ఒక సెకండ్, అది ఏదో చెప్తాను చెప్పను, ఏంటి అది చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్.
అంటే ఏం లేదు బా, నేను చిన్నప్పుడు స్కూల్లో నిక్కర్లు వేసుకుని తిరిగేటప్పుడు మా నోట్ ఫుల్ ప్యాంట్లు వీంట్లు వేసుకుని అక్కడ ఉండేవాడు. అంటే అది నేను 8th తన 2th ఏమో నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ నాకని చాలా పెద్దవాడు. అది
నేను ఇమాజిన్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాను నేను నిక్కర్లో.
అది
నిన్ను మాత్రం ఇమాజిన్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాను.
పాయింట్ చెప్పేది అది కాదు మనోడు. బేసిక్ గా ఎవరిని ఎప్పుడు కలిసినా, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఎవరిని అమ్మాయిని కలిసినా, ఫస్ట్ మేము ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఫస్ట్ చెప్పేస్తాడు నాకన్నా పెద్దోడు అని. ఎక్కడో ఫీలింగ్, తను పెద్దోడు అనుకుంటారు ఏంటి.
హలో, నాకన్నా పెద్దోడు
చెప్పాను. మరి నువ్వు బాహుబలిలో ప్రభాస్ గారికి అన్నగా చేసావు, అది మినిమం హ్యాంగ్ ఓవర్ ఉంటుంది కదా.
అరే అడవి శేష్ నానక్కడలో కూడా చేశాను బా, అలా కాదు, దానికి దీనికి లింక్ అయ్యాక
అన్న. అడవి శేష్ గారు మిమ్మల్ని నాన్న అని ఏమైనా ఏడిపిస్తున్నారా బయట?
అవును, అప్పుడప్పుడు నాన్న నాన్న అనుకుంటుంది. ఏదో
ఎందుకు? బాహుబలిలో చేసినందుక? ఓ బేబీలో నాకు తాత క్యారెక్టర్ చేశాడు.
జోకేస్తే మీరు అందరూ మళ్ళీ తిరిగి నవ్వాలి ఇప్పుడే అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, శేష్ లేడు కాబట్టి. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్, నైస్. మిగతా పర్ఫార్మర్స్ అందరు వెళ్ళిపోయినట్టున్నారు. అరే సో ఈ డైలాగ్ చెప్పినందుకు దేవిశ్రీ ప్రసాద్ గారిని ప్లీజ్ వేదిక పైకి పిలవాలి. డిఎస్పి చూడండి ఆవిడ లాగేస్తున్నారు. అదే వేరేలాగా అనుకుంటున్నారు.
మన దేవి అన్న ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది ఈసారి ఐఫాలో, మీరు ఏం చేయబోతున్నారు అని అడగమన్నారు. అదే
హాయ్ గైస్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. యాక్చువల్లీ మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాం, మస్తు ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాము. స్టేజ్ మీద పిలిచేశారు ఎందుకంటే మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది టైమ్స్ ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్, సో ఐ రియల్లీ గెట్ టు ఎంజాయ్ ద మూమెంట్స్, ద స్టేజ్ మూమెంట్స్ సిట్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఆడియన్స్, అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూయింగ్ దట్ అండ్ దిస్ గై కుడెంట్ స్టాండ్ దెన్ అండ్ హీ కాల్డ్ మీ.
నా మాకు ఇచ్చిన 2 క్వశ్చన్లు అయిపోయి చాలాసేపు అయింది ఎవరో ఒకరిని అందుకు.
బట్ ఒకటైతే అర్థమవుతుంది, సి ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఐఫా, అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు విష్ ఎ వెరీ స్పీడీ రికవరీ టు అవర్ డియర్ డార్లింగ్ బ్రదర్ ఆంధ్రే. He's not well, so he's going to be super fine, I think, very soon. And ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నప్పుడే చాలా సరదాగా ఉంది వీళ్ళిద్దరు కాంబినేషన్. సో ఐ థింక్ వీఆర్ గోన్ హ్యావ్ బ్లాస్టింగ్ టైమ్ ఇన్ Abu Dhabi at the IFA. Rocking guys, you rock it. And yeah, I always love to be a part of IFA. I've been performing, I've performed before. Last time కూడా Abu Dhabiలో బాలీవుడ్ ఐఫాలో పర్ఫామ్ చేశాను. ఈసారి ఫస్ట్ టైం మన ఐఫా అక్కడ జరగబోతుంది. సో ఐమ్ రియలీ హ్యాపీ. ఇట్స్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ ప్లేస్, అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు the government of Abu Dhabi and the officials of Abu Dhabi who have come here. Thank you, sir. We love Abu Dhabi, and the kind of treatment that we got last time when I came for the Bollywood IFA was like, it's like unbelievable. So I'm really looking forward to be there, and we'll rock it.
Remember me, sir, my first time.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a little sneak peek of what's going to happen on stage. Thank you. We're looking forward to seeing you all the 6th and 7th of September. Now, more respectable people will start getting on stage. Thank you.
Rana, I think this is a very censored version of what you're going to do.
నా ఇక్కడ వేరే అన్ని మాట్లాడకూడదు. దిగు ఫస్ట్.
రాశి రానా, ఇందాక మీరు ఒక అవార్డు గురించి అడిగారు కదా రాశి. ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యు నో, బట్ వెనెవర్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ ఐ కీప్ టెల్లింగ్ దిస్ టు పీపుల్. రాశి someday should get an award for the best singer because she's an amazing singer. So ఆ పాట
ఆగండి, అలాగే వెనక్కి వచ్చేయండి. మీరు సింగర్ అన్నారు, పక్కన మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ ఉన్నారు, ఏదో ఒక పాట ఏదో ఒక పాట పాడకుండా ఇద్దరు కలిపి స్టేజ్ దిగితే బాగోదు, కొంచెం స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. నేను కాదు నేను ఒప్పుకుంది ఐఫా చేయడానికి, నేను వచ్చి చేయట్లే ఇక్కడ.
నేనేదో లేని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లీక్ చేశాను అనుకుంటే నన్ను.
లేదు, అలాగే మీరు కూడా ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న స్నీక్ పీక్ ఇచ్చేసేయండి అన్న.
No, in fact, once Rashi and I performed the song on stage.
Okay, let's perform that little bit. Let's go.
Hello guys, అందరూ.
నాకు ఒక సాంగ్ తెలుసు నా సినిమాలో.
Yeah, sing. Any song is fine.
You sing with me, but you won't know the lyrics, no?
I'll do the rhythm.
You do the rhythm.
Yeah.
అంటే దేవి గారికి ఆయన పాట లిరిక్స్ మర్చిపోతారని అంటున్నావా?
నా పాట కాదు, తన పాట. ఇదిగో రాశి పక్కన నుంచోనంటే మళ్ళీ నుంచో పెడతారు. మామూలుగానే పొడుగు.
సుశాంత్ నువ్వు డాన్స్ చేస్తావు.
Rana tappa, Rana only Rana can stand next to any girl, whether with heels, without heels, whatever.
ఇది ఒక మెలోడీ సాంగ్. ఏం
చాలా డబుల్ నువ్వు పాడనా నువ్వు అలాంటి.
Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to Rashi, Kanna Rashi. Come on, Rashi.
This is Aim Sandeham Ledu. It's one of my favorites. I sing it everywhere, wherever I go, because people love that song. And నాకు కూడా చాలా నచ్చింది ఈ సాంగ్. సో ఈ పాట పాడతాను. ఈ పాట ఇప్పుడు రాశి పాడుతుంది. ఇది మనం ఆనందిస్తాము. ఓకే, దట్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ అమరీష్ పురి సర్స్ తెలుగు, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. ఇందులో హైలైట్ ఏంటంటే దిస్ సాంగ్ ఇస్ నాట్ మైన్, బట్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ ద లవ్ ఆఫ్ రాశిస్ వాయిస్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ ద బీట్ బాక్సింగ్ ఫర్ హూఎవర్ ఇస్ ద మ్యూజిక్. హూ ఇస్ ద యు హావ్ కళ్యాణి సర్.
సారీ,
కళ్యాణి
Malik sir. Okay, so give a huge round of applause to Kalyani Malik sir. Kalyani Malik sir is, by the way, the brother of one and only Keeravani sir, the Oscar award winner Keeravani sir's brother is Kalyani Malik sir. So iron song Rashi is going to sing for that. For now I'm the rhythm player. Okay, come on, bring it on.
మీరు చాలా హైప్ ఇచ్చారు, సో ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం
హై పిచ్ అంటే హైట్ లోనే ఉన్నారు అంజేస్తుంది.
Okay, I don't know if I know the full lyrics, but I'll try singing the song as much as I know of it. Okay. ఏం సందేహం లేదు ఆ అందాల నవ్వే అందరిలో తెచ్చింది. ఏం సందేహం లేదు ఆ కందేటి సిగ్గే తొందరలో ఇచ్చింది. ఏం సందేహం లేదు ఆ గంధాల గొంతే ఆనందాలు పెంచింది.
Thank you, Rashi. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing. See, that's amazing, right?
తెప్పిస్తున్నాము.
This
Oh,
you should get an award.
oh, no.
Rashi. Thank you very much.
Future లో రాశికి ఇవ్వండి అవార్డ్. Rashi, please keep singing more, okay?
You should make me sing. It's been one of your
Yeah, of
films.
course, that's funny. Yeah, let's make Rashi sing very soon in a film. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Please.
Thank you.
Oh, group picture.
Can we also have on stage, yeah, Aradhana and Malashri ma'am. Can we give it up for Malashri ma'am here, the legendary actor of the cinema of the South. Firstly, Malashri ma'am, ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಮೂವೀಸ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೋಲ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಿಸ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ. Thank you very much. She has ruled the Kannada movies and with her roles, and her daughter Aradhana is here, equally beautiful, and all the best to her. Okay, we'll come to that. Ma'am, I have a question for you. We have seen how IFA Utsavam has bringing Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and all the languages in global platform. Now, where do you think the Indian cinema stands, and what role does and importance does IFA Utsavam play in bringing all these movies together?
In that question only answer is there.
Yeah.
IFA also. IFA festival is not only IFA festival, it's a festival for all the industry, for actors, for workers, and everyone ಗೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. First of all, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Thank you so much. So,
ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
it's not like that. Tumba, it is a very big platform for the film industry, for the actors, technicians, everybody, because this is not only a award, it is it's a like global, it's very big for the film industry and for all the South. It is very important for such event. It's very, very, very important.
That's right. Thank you very much. And are you expecting your daughter to perform? Are you performing this?
Yeah.
edition? Yeah. All right. I think then the next question goes to her. Can we have one more mic or two more mics on the stage, please? Yeah. So tell me how excited you are to perform in this global platform.
First of all, good evening, everybody. Allargu namaskara. I'm too excited. There's no words. I feel like IFA is something that we've grown up watching, and it's such a legacy award show that it's such a dream come true to perform on that stage, and especially to share it with my mom. I'm very, very, very nervous, but I'll hide it. What?
You're nervous?
I'm very nervous.
You can't be born to her and be nervous. Oh yeah,
To
it's the
share
other
the
way around
stage
also.
with her.
Yeah.
No, I think it's quite a big dare, but I'm very excited about
Could
it.
you just throw us any Kannada dialogue of ma'am? Come on.
I don't even want to try.
ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹರ್.
All right. Ma'am, we'll ask Malashri ma'am herself to tell us one Kannada dialogue, and I think it'll be wonderful moment to cherish.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಡೈಲಾಗ್
ಹೌದು ma'am.
ನನಗೆ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕರ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಹತ್ತೇರಿಗೆ ಹಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇ ಕಾಲ್. ರಾಣಿ ಮಹಾರಾಣಿ ಫಿಲಮ್. ನಾವು ಇದು
Yeah, you got to do that.
No, the second half. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಯಾರು?
No, we want from Hatteriki. What was that? That was nice.
No, that alone I can't.
All right, let's give it up for Vijayendra here, Vijay Raghavendra here.
Hi.
So you are the host. Everybody, you're representing the entire Kannada movies over there. And are you excited? What are you looking forward to, Vijay? There's huge responsibility on you, by the way.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಅಂದ್ರಿಕಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ರಾಣಾ ಸರ್, huge fan. Just watching you just across the stage, sitting as an audience, it gives me energy. It's very contagious. I have also hosted along with you many years ago, and I've learned a lot. And Teja sir, congratulations to you, and it's an honor I'm thanking the Abu Dhabi dignitaries here, Kushbu ma'am, Simran ma'am. It's a sheer honor celebrating cinema in Abu Dhabi in Yas Islands. IFA Utsavam is basically what I see as a growth of the industry, film industry overall. There's no more region or language. Like Sir said in the beginning, everything just disappears and all that remains is cinema,
Indian cinema.
Entertainment altogether. It is a huge responsibility, like you said. I take a great deal of inspiration from Rana Sir to do my best to entertain the audience and, of course, to celebrate like all of you as an audience too.
Wow, thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you very much. And now let's come to Pragya here, one of the pan-Indian actresses. She's been at the top in any film, any language that she's been hosting for. And let me tell you, Pragya, whatever, we've seen you in various awards shows, and the moment you're on the stage, just putting that smile, and whatever step she does, whether it's perfect or not, that smile just takes away all the hearts. And tell me, are you going to perform in this IFA this year? Yes. And look at you. You are like literally reverse aging. I've seen you 5 years ago and to now. It's like, stunning transformation. Shah Rukh Khan once said, I always look like this, yeah? No, I look just the same. You've become more muscular and, muscular is a good thing. Muscle toning, yeah? Muscle to fat ratio I'm talking about. Hey, I'm a sports nutritionist. I know what to talk, by the way. Yeah. Muscular is a compliment. Yes, I get it. Yeah, muscle to fat ratio. I just don't know if people get it. It's okay, don't worry about it. See, Shah Rukh Khan once said, talent is not just acting well, but talent is staying disciplined. That's what I see in you. Consistency, perseverance over the years. And now tell me, how excited are you to perform in IFA?
Very, very excited for IFA Utsavam 2024. Very excited that I'm performing again. I remember coming to IFA Utsavam in 2017, which was 7 years ago. I had performed then. And I think it was one of my best performances till date. It was such a wonderful experience that I'm so excited about 2024's performance, really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to being at Abu Dhabi. I think last time it was in Hyderabad. So very excited for Abu Dhabi's IFA Utsavam 2024. Do you have any plans with your friends, star friends over there to go around in Abu Dhabi?
Yes, most
and
definitely.
to shop, to shop,
Want to spill some beans?
to eat. I was in IFA last year as well in Abu Dhabi at the same venue, and it is one of the most spectacular venues, and it has a Ferrari race course around it. So it's wonderful, lovely stage, great vibes, great food, great shopping, and lots of places to visit, which I didn't explore like last time. I've only explored Abu Dhabi in my holidays, but this time I'm looking forward to more.
The way she was, you were bringing in that excitement, and now I feel more excited. I can see that excitement in your eyes, and you have listed everything that can be done in that city, besides enjoying IFA Utsavam. Thank you. Keep that excitement coming in, and thank you for spilling the beans.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everybody. Do you want to pose for a photo before you leave? That's not just the light. Stop being so humble, huh?
It is the light.
It is the light. You're glowing too.
As a man, you shouldn't say that. You have to say she is glowing. Are you married?
I am.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
I'll
why
teach
he's
you a
being
few
honest.
compliments. Huh?
That's why he's like being honest.
I've got a list
Until he
of
got married, he
warnings.
told me I'm not glowing. Now he tells every woman that they are glowing.
Listen, by the time this show gets over, I'll teach him a few compliments.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, but because I've got a list of warnings already from home. So
Oh, okay, home department. I'm not gonna get there. Perle, let's start with you. I've seen you host, all the Malayalam fans of you, they're always excited when you host, and you've hosted previously. And right now, again, you're representing the pan-Indian cinema across the world. Tell me the responsibility on you, and how excited are you?
I'm really excited. First of all, good evening, everyone. Everybody who's gathered here to celebrate this beautiful day. Just wanted to let you all know that we are all excited, equally excited, to be back in this family where we celebrate not just cinema, but friendship, I think.
goes beyond borders of language. And I think this is one of the platforms where people from various languages get to meet each other. Like he mentioned, we get to network. And also, I would say this is a huge possibility for people like us who want to act in movies now. So we have a few scripts ready, and our agents will be with us during.
Speak
Abu
for
Dhabi.
yourself, Pearly. I'm already acting in movies.
Eda, you need heroine, na? Just male-centric movie.
I like this chemistry. Continue.
So the thing is, so if you want to network, please come to Abu Dhabi. Yeah.
But can you also talk a little bit in Malayalam? Malayalam korachu I just know.
കുറയ്ക്കാറില്ല കുറയ്ക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. So if I speak in Malayalam, nobody will understand.
But
So
the
that's
media
why.
is there. The press is also there.
The press will only press at me. Does anybody understand Malayalam here?
See that.
ഓക്കെ സോ മലയാളത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ഒരു കാര്യം പറയാം. ഐഫ ഉത്സവത്തിൽ ഇതെന്റെ 7ാമത്തെ വർഷം, 7 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വി ആർ കമ്മിങ് ബാക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ 2 പ്രാവശ്യം ഞാൻ ആങ്കർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഐ തിങ്ക് അബുദാബിയുടെ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇറ്റ്സ് ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ഹാപ്പനിങ് പ്ലേസ് എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. ദുബായ്, അബുദാബി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പനിങ് സ്ഥലമാണ്. ആൻഡ് അവിടെ നമ്മുടെ കുറേ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. മലയാളികൾക്ക് അതൊരു സെക്കൻഡ് എന്താ പറയുക നേറ്റീവ് പോലെയാ അല്ലേ? വാട്ട് ഡു യു ഹാവ് ടു സേ അബൌട്ട് അബുദാബി?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to going to Abu Dhabi because പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ അവിടെ നമുക്ക് മലയാളം അറിയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ജീവിച്ചു പോവാം.
Why are you looking forward to go to Abu Dhabi? Is it for IFA Utsavam or something else?
It's for IFA, and what I've been told, if you know Malayalam, you can make a good living there.
Oh yeah, tell me about it. Miss Ahmed here couldn't disagree with that.
Yes,
Sorry,
very, very
Mohammed here. Go for it, yeah.
You can keep cracking such jokes. He likes, he's a sponsor.
You don't think I already planned all of that?
Yeah.
Hey, do you guys know you're not talking with each other, but this mic's in front of you?
This is our technique. Rana has different technique. We have the subtle technique.
Yeah, we are subtle from
we are like
Malayalam.
the
Telugu is loud and we are
Malayalis are very subtle.
Telugu is loud and Malayalam
So
is
in
very
Tamil,
subtle.
it will be Amma. In Malayalam, Ammi. Like,
She's doing some audition here. I'm sure Sanjay Leela Bansali sir and Rajamouli sir are watching this. Please cast her.
Thank you.
Yeah, and if they cast you, I'll come as your assistant.
Yeah, sure.
I want to sing a song for you, one line. In the pen, Chimmiki Kamal.
That's old, da. Like 7 years back only that.
Really? 7 years is old to you?
Yeah.
I'm a 90s kid. I like old school.
Okay. So please sing that song for me.
In the pen, Chimmiki Kamal. In the pen, Kankundi Poya.
Oh, please don't sing ever again.
Sorry. Wrong lyrics,
Do you
right?
want to troll her now or in Dubai? Like, where do you want to?
We'll do it in Abu Dhabi.
We wanted to keep it subtle today. Like, we're just not showing much. This
You
is
want to tell anything to the Malayalam audience there and the pan-Indian cinema lovers out there about your hosting, about your experience, about upcoming IFA Utsavam and about Abu Dhabi? Go for it.
So, what were we saying till now?
To the fans and the media.
We are talking to them only, till
Yeah.
now. Yeah. So now again we have to say the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Basically-
please come to Abu Dhabi, book your tickets, otherwise they won't let you in. So without tickets, don't come. And if you don't have budget, you can call this girl. She's got a lot of money. She'll book your tickets.
And if you know Malayalam, definitely come.
That people are liking that. Like,
Yes, we do.
So yeah. So also, I think once again, you need to understand this is not going to be a formal award function. It's going to be a fun award function. That's
More
what
than
I
subtle,
feel.
right? Not
Yeah.
subtle, more
Yeah.
than subtle.
More than subtle. We're just kidding. We're going to be all out. Right now, we're working on the scripts on what to speak. And I'm so happy that we have people like Kushbu ma'am sitting here. I've met her for all award functions. She's literally glowing. What do you have to say about Kushbu ma'am? Say that.
It's
Ma'am,
the
cast
lights.
her in a movie, ma'am. She's doing all the audition, all the performance. Please cast her. Okay, now off the syllabus, I have a question for Mr. Sudeep here. Listen, are you making this muscles and the body for IFA Utsavam because you're on the stage? Or to protect yourself from your
Actually,
DSP knows it.
It's my preparation for my next movie role.
Oh, next movie role.
Like I
He's a
said, I'm
Kerala
already,
State Award winner for the best actor.
this is my
Please
first.
give him a
Give
big
a huge round of
applause.
applause for the best actor.
So it's his first time as an anchor, as a co-host. It's the first time.
I've never ever hosted anything. The last thing I hosted was my birthday party when I was 10. And that was a big flop. So,
It was a big flop.
Yeah, it was.
We'll
his
talk about it
birthday,
later.
na?
Yeah.
So I am here to learn from Master Ji, who has been doing this for about 148 years.
Where is he? Master? Oh,
That's
me.
you. That's you.
Okay, then again, next flop. No, sorry. Please book your tickets. Book your tickets. Okay, Simran ma'am, I love you. Just wanted to say, I actually came here to check out all the celebrities, click photos with them,
Yeah.
gain more likes on Instagram. Actually, that's why I came. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here.
इतना भी honest नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब क्या?
Sorry, we are subtle. We are very
This is not
realistic.
subtle. This is unfiltered.
Yeah. Haven't you watched
Honest-
Malayalam movies? Very, very real. Very,
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Wow, so far we have done 3 languages and I can see it's going to be a blast in Abu Dhabi. Everybody.
No blast, guys. Please don't think like that. Very safe. What are you?
I'm zipping my mouth now because
Yeah.
Sabas is going to send me out from here.
No.
Thank you very much. I'll take
No
the
blast,
mic.
guys. Please. Blast. Okay? Okay. Thank you, guys. About Simran ji, I love you. I love you.
Pale, mic is mine.
Okay.
I love you. Both look so graceful in the 7 yards of elegance. And may I take the honor to call upon Akshara Hassan, the talented and the most beautiful. Never in my dreams I thought I'll get a day to, host where Akshara Hassan is present because she is not somebody who comes for all the stages. And can I call upon the stage, who did I miss? Russell Pukuti Sa, the Oscar award winner, the Pride of India. Are you welcome, sir? And Faria Abdullah. Is Faria Abdullah here? Okay. Go. Can we have all the mics on the stage, please? Oh my God, this combination right here, I don't even know where to start. All right, but okay, I'll brace myself, tuck all the butterflies inside my stomach. Kushbu ma'am, you look so beautiful. That's where I want to start with. Thank you. And you've been getting fitter and fitter. But I know you're very intelligent. I have an intelligent passion for you. So ma'am, there's been a lot of crossovers of the movie happening. Earlier, there was a lot of bifurcation. Now how cinema of South has become pan-India cinema. And now pan-Indian cinema, pan-Indian stars have been recognized globally in international platforms. What do you have to say about that?
South Indian rocks. That is what I would like to start with. Hi and good evening to everyone. Namaskaram. It's a pleasure and honor to be on this stage sharing with such beautiful people on the stage and off stage and all the respectable dignitaries from Abu Dhabi. Thank you for hosting us and thank you, IFA, for inviting us here. Now to your question, I think I'm the one who has been fighting non-stop that I do not like the barrier of Bollywood or Tollywood or Collywood. It has to be an Indian cinema because when you talk about cinema, it's beyond religion. Art cannot be confined within one religion or one region. So I think we have come of age and we say today when we talk about South Indian cinema, and I'm proud to call myself a South Indian. Though I was born and bred in Mumbai, I call myself a very proud South Indian, especially a Tamil coming from Chennai. I started in Telugu cinema, so it's great to see the best actors, the best technicians, the best movies coming from South India and taking the world by storm. You see, even in Hindi now, they need directors and actors from South India to make it pan-India and make it a global India with S.S. Rajamouli, Triple R, and you have one great technician here, Russell Pukuti. So I'm glad and I'm really, really very happy about it that we have finally come of age and we say that it's Indian cinema, no more Tollywood, Collywood, Bollywood. We are proud to be Indian, call ourselves an Indian cinema.
Thank you. Ma'am, you've started your first film with Telugu, if I'm not wrong, with Venkatesh sir. I've seen you post on I follow your Instagram, post on your Instagram a lot of times about how fondly you recall back your first movies. But whatever role you played, as an actress, as a character roles, as a mother, as a wife, you are an inspiration. And thank you very much today representing IFA Utsavam press meet. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
And my next question here, oh my God, I'm having a fan moment here. I've grown up trying to dance like you. Lot of people out there have grown up trying to dance like you. Your fitness, your acting, whatever it is, you have shaken the pan-Indian cinema. I mean, I think after Sridevi ma'am, somebody who's always been most preferred against all the A-lister heroes and giving them a tough competition. Ma'am, I'm talking about you. You are an inspiration.
Thank you so much. First of all, Yallarku Vanakkam. Good evening, everyone. It's amazing, beautiful emotion to come back to Hyderabad after a long time. And thank you so much for such a great introduction. It's my pleasure to share the stage with everyone. And they too. We just did a beautiful song number together where we both danced together. That is Aranmani 4. And really had good time doing that. And thank you so much. It's nice to have you. Nice having you. Yes. I would just like to speak few words. That is about IFA
Stage
Utsavam.
ungal ma'am, neenga dharalama
Yes.
pesalam.
I just want to say that IFA Utsavam is an emotion. As ma'am correctly said that, you know, we have to be one cinema. And why I say it's an emotion, because it, you know, I may forget, but they will never forget me. So it's like that. They just drag me. They just want me. They just want to give their best. And they pull out the best from people. And getting an award to an artist, it is a big honor, I feel, and they are very genuine in that. And I was very happy when, you know, when IFA Utsavam was created. I am part of IFA Utsavam from the beginning. And I know there are certain things which I goofed up. I'm extremely sorry about it. But genuinely, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here, for bringing me here. It's my pleasure to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Just the way you look graceful when you talk also, this, you know, the praise is spilling like pearls. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Moving to Akshara, the show where you're part of, because you barely attend any shows. You're somebody who will attend and sometimes not attend. Thank you very much, firstly, for coming for IFA Utsavam press conference.
Thank you for having me. I'm feeling awkward about that, but thank you.
So Akshara, you have performed previously, and marubadi neenga perform panna porengala. You're going to perform for IFA again.
I hope so. Yes, I performed in the past and it was amazing. And it was the first time I performed on such a grand scale. So thank you, IFA, for that. And I hope again this year too.
So when it comes to IFA, what do you look forward to? Because you know this is representing pan-Indian films across the world. So what are you looking forward to in the current upcoming edition?
Another year of making history and showing the world the soul of us artists that we put into our work every day.
Making history and putting the soul. Thank you very much. Spoken just like your father. Very smart, very precise. Thank you very much, Akshara. Rasul Sir, the pride of India. A huge round of applause, please.
Thank you.
So we have discussed about how things shaped up for you after Oscars. I'm not going to get there. And I'm not going to spill those beans now. So now tell me, what do you want to tell for the media and the fans, what they can expect in IFA Utsavam and what the platform itself represents, and about how Abu Dhabi is going to be taken on fire with all the stars for the fans?
You know, in the early time of IFA, one of the IFA functions in Dubai, I remember Mamuka came in and he said, why is it called International Indian Film Awards? You know, you're only celebrating Hindi cinema. So that criticism was quite sharp and quite to the core. And it took a couple of more years for Sabba, Viraf and Andre to put together something called IFA Utsavam. Because to celebrate Indian cinema, it's not easy. Because it's not just Hindi film language films. Because one of the South Indian language itself surpasses Hindi cinema. I mean, if you look at the numbers of this year, Malayalam cinema alone has crossed 1,000 crore, you know, in terms of its,
Big round of
in
applause
terms
for
of
that.
business, and creating such brilliant cinema, and at par with any international films. So it's not easy to celebrate Indian cinema, and it has to be bifurcated, and days have to be allocated. People, I mean, like, look at the amount of talent that we have on stage today, just 4 language, and so IFA created IFA Utsavam, and it's been going on very well, and all the 4 languages have come under this. I'm not talking about IFA as an award function. The factors that you don't know about IFA, let me tell you, because I've been associated with IFA. Sabaz knows it very well, and me and Sabaz has been in many government, part of advisory committees of the government, and advising especially Media and Entertainment Skill Council. We've been last two terms. We've been sitting. Many of the changes that you're seeing in the media and entertainment space has come from the think tank of that includes Sabaz and me and many others. So also we disburse in the past. We've been disbursing scholarship for students. We've been encouraging film studies, film students everywhere IFA goes.
That's such a
We
noble.
have had exchange programs with the students. We invite students of the film schools come and participate, and we have held workshops, master classes, scoring for films, especially, what makes Indian cinema separate from rest of the cinema in the world is that Indian cinema feed the music to the majority of Indians. Across the globe, music industry is separate, cinema industry is separate. Whereas in Indian cinema, Indian films have the burden of giving music to the world. So we have had workshops how you compose songs on stages, and it's been phenomenal. We also have celebrated international artists like Liv Ullmann, been invited in IFA Singapore. She was here. We've honored her. So IFA has been not just what you call the show sharaba that you see, but is also serious stuff that we do behind. And JIMA, part of subsidiary of IFA, where we celebrate Indian music, not just the mainstream Indian music, also classical music and other folk art. So IFA for me is just more than emotion.
Fabulous. Thank you. All right, lastly, ma'am, நீங்க Tamil fans what are they going to expect in IFA and media க்கு ஏதாவது சொல்லணும்னா ப்ளீஸ் தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி, இந்த உற்சவம் மிக பிரம்மாண்டமாக முறையில் அபுதாபியில் நடக்க போகுது. நீங்கள் இங்கே பார்த்தது வெறும் ஒரு ட்ரெய்லர் தான். எல்லாரும் பண்ணுற கலாட்டா, எல்லாரும் பண்ணுற அட்டகாசம், இதுவும் தாண்டி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் அங்கே இருக்க போகுது. இந்த ஐஃபா உற்சவம் சொல்லும்போது இது நிஜமாகவே உங்களுக்காக உருவாக்கப்பட்ட சினிமா துறையில் இருக்கிறது நடிகைகள் மட்டுமல்லாமல் இங்கே திரைக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்கிற எத்தனையோ கலைஞர்கள் இருக்கிறாங்களே, அவங்களை எல்லாரையும் பாராட்டி தோளில் தட்டி கொடுத்துட்டு பிரம்மாதமான வேலை செஞ்சதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன பாராட்டு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி இருக்கு. கச்சிதாங்க வாங்க, உங்களுக்காக அபுதாபி உங்களுக்காக காத்துட்டு இருக்கு. நாங்கள் எல்லாரும் இருப்போம். So like I said, this is not just the beginner picture. Abhi baki hai mere dost. So look forward to seeing all of you in Abu Dhabi.
Rasul sir is looking forward for Simran ma'am's performance, and so am I. I can be one of the back dancers somewhere or holding the light and fan for you.
You know what, when Sridevi
நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க sir.
When Sridevi performed for the first time in IFA in Macau, I think, Sabas. Yes. It was like lightning. So likewise, ma'am, please. है ना?
I will put in a word, Sudesh. So,
Yes, it's done. The deal is done.
I really thought I'll sing a Telugu song for her, but I'm just, because of a fan moment, I don't know, I forgot every song of her, but I know all her steps. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you. Okay, I thought I'll call Sabas, but he himself is here for a shout out.